Tired of that nagging cough? Here's a natural homemade cough syrup that works wonders. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger juice, and a pinch of black pepper. Take it 2 to 3 times a day. Honey soothes your throat and fights bacteria. Ginger helps reduce inflammation. Black pepper clears mucus and improves absorption. No harsh chemicals, just pure nature. Like, share, and subscribe to Zen Health Vibes for more powerful natural remedies. Always check with your doctor before trying any remedy, especially for children or chronic issues.